Siya si Mori, nasa Singapore si Mori. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold. Okay, go. Step. Yan, sige. 1, slowly. Slowly, hold tight. Oh yeah, you did it. You did it, buddy. Okay, go down. Ayun, very good. O dyan sa heart level. Kaya mo na dyan? Dyan. Transfer to other side. Sige. Sige. Okay, sige, try mo, try. Yeah, that's why it's twisting. Sige. It's a challenge yun eh.
Some are falling.
Ha? Smile. Smile mo di. Going to the road si buddy. Double deck bus. Okay na. Ulog na sila di sa kanal. Okay. O, dito sa ano. Diyan sa park. Dito ka din. Bisan active park. Dyan. Okay, dyan na. Ito pa na. Inside. Bisan active park si body. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, ano mo ba yan? Isot ka dyan sa ano? Lusot ka dito. Lusot siya dito mo di oh. Ito oh. Lusot dyan. Tak. Lusot dyan siya oh. Hard level yata yan ah. Tapos dito, slide. Going down. O, basa pa. Basa pa ito. You want to try? Ha? Okay na yung towel mo. Careful ha, baka may slide. Sige. Yan, close mo yung legs mo sa ano para hindi ma-slide. Yan. Okay. Oh, alam na training ka na doon sa ano eh. Sige, go. Yan, oh. Ha? Ano to? Oh, careful ha, madulas yan. Hard level na yan. Ayan, okay. Ayun. Careful kasi wet. May rin eh. O, spring yan. Ayan, dahan-dahan. Isa level na yan eh. Go down. Ano na?
I didn't training that one.
Na-skirt ikaw eh. Don't skirt. Huwag na may skirt.
Hindi pa training dyan.
Oh, careful. But today, si daddy, oh, 1, 2, 3, higher. Very fast yung counting. Isa pa. One more. Okay. I-picture ko habang naghangka. Sige na. One more. 1, 2, 3. Sige, 1.
Okay.
Ready na?
Ready. May mas mataas doon oh. May mas taas doon. May mas mataas doon oh. Doon.
Stop na.
May ano din doon ah.
Ha?
May ano doon.
Oo, iba na yung level na yun. Oh. Okay, go. Okay, up. Sige, up. You did it. Balance. Stop. One more stop. Yan, balance yan eh. You did. More destroy. You did it. Oh, you did it. You did it, buddy. Ayan, pag nahulog na, jump na sa outside. Oh, very good yun ah. Okay. Go up, sige, go up doon sa taas. Okay, up. No, hindi naman. Okay, up. 1, 2, 3, go. Sige na. Training na yan eh. Dito ka dumaan, tingnan mo si daddy. Sige, go up naman, go up. Oh, see, very easy level yan eh. Wait, picture mo na kita. Sa Bishan Active Park. One is Bishan Active Park. Si Morty nasa Bishan Active Park. Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay, go there. Morty playing basketball. 3 points. Madaming shoot si Morty. Oh, sira na ito eh. Wala na yata naglaro dito Morty ah. Sira na eh. Oh. Okay, picturean kita. 1, 2. 1, 2. Sige, drink. Bishan Active Park si Morty. Okay, standard kasi videohan ka ni daddy. 1, 2, 3. Dito mo di banda. Dito sa ano, dito sa kita. Diyan. 1, 2, 3. We are going to which place we go?
Bishan ng Mokyo Park.
Bishan ng Mokyo Park. Lapit ang birthday nila. Ang kailan ang birthday ng Singapore?
August 9.
August 9 ang birthday. Happy birthday Singapore.
August 9.
Kaya marami ng flag sila. Oh, national day na yan eh. Oh. Singapore. Singapore. Majula Singapura. Kaming flag eh. Kaming flag dito mo di. Ha?
Nag-video na eh. There's a lot of Singapore flags here. There's a lot of Singapore flags here. There's a lot of Singapore flags in Singapore. It's the opposite way around. It's the opposite way around.
One, yun sa red. Dyan. Alright, abutin mo diya. Ha? Yung? Oh, huwag mo yan yung ice mo. 1, 2, ganun mo. Alright, sige, ano si mami? Ito banda para makita yung ano. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Diyan naman. Stand there. There. Oh, stand there. Oh, dito. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 1. Ganun mo. Dalawang kamay. Ito isa pa. Pakita ni daddy yung makdo para makita ni mami. Ano yan? Minions ba yan? Ganun mo. Minions ba yan? Oh, kaya na si Morty. Sige, subo na. 1, 2. Hungry ba? Hungry? Cut mo. Wow, nag-cut si Morty. Cut mo na. Oh, very good ah. Ayun, tapos na mag-break pa si Morty sa McDo. O, mag-walking na sa parang Active Park. Dito sa may...
My aunt's
sige, dito. Going to the...
mabait yung auntie.
Mababait ba sila? What time na? Time check mo na. Time check. Time is what time?
9:40.
9.
15.
Okay, mag-walk na tayo sa park. Mag-walk na kami sa Marty sa Panda. Madami rin good weather, no? Walang rain. Okay. Mayroong tawid tayo dyan sa bridge. May dog Marty, nag-drink siya ng milk. Buti pa yung dog, nag-drink ng milk eh. Mayroon siyang milk, may diaper din. Ano yung dog na yan? Chihuahua? Chihuahua ba yan? Chihuahua dog yan? Marty? Chihuahua. Okay na, ito na. Go to the bridge. Careful, mahulog ka sa bridge. Dito. Oh, Marty is going to the bridge. Minecraft. Tingin dito, picturean ka ni Daddy. 1, 2, 3 in the bridge up. Ano sa bridge yan? London Bridge ba yan?
No. We're going above.
Sige.
We're going above a grassland.
Grassland, river din yan eh. Tignan mo Marty. Sino mo, river River yan eh. May river din siya eh. Kalang river ba yan?
Kalang river yan eh. Kita mo sa atin.
Kalang river? Wala nang water eh. Meron? Kaya nakita na ni Daddy. Ano sabi dyan? Kalang river pala ito. Konti lang river eh. Sapa lang yan eh. Asa na? Dito na. Ito. Pitch ko na. Going there na. Going to the left.
Papuntang ang walk yun na ito.
Papunta doon baka ganun tayo. Walking tayo doon.
Above. Vision pa ito eh. Even though we go above the river, vision pa.
Vision pa ito eh?
Vision pa ito eh pang we go
Pag-cross there? Mayroon ng mga fish yata eh. Tingnan natin kung may fish. May fish ba? Wala yata fish eh. Yan, may fish ba? Mayroon turtle I see turtle eh.
Where?
There in the nag-rest siya yun turtle.
Where?
Yun, meron nakita ko. Wait. Hold ka ni Daddy. See water level rising kasi river yan eh. Water rising rapidly.
When
nag-siren.
Yung
Ayong signal. Ilagay.
Then just run. Don't go near to the river.
Yeah, this is the river. Don't go there. Marty, very good. Okay. Anong flower ito? Alam mo yan?
I don't know, but that's a tree.
Tree ba yan? A flower?
Tree. A tree. A tree that makes flowers.
May dog dog run ito eh.
My dog kasi dog run ito.
Nagja-jogging din na dog eh. May nag-washing sila eh. Nag-clean nila yung playground. We go to the playground there Nag-washing yata sa playground. Nag-washing sa playground. Go Marty. Washing sila eh. Nag-washing sila sa playground. Tingin dito Marty. Picture mo na ni Daddy. 1. Yan na. 2. Tingin. Yun sila. Nag-washing na sila. Sige din. I want to go there. Picturean kita. 1. Ganon. 2. Want to go there?
There's sand.
There's the sun. There's something.
There will be a sandstorm.
There's a chair. Over there. Nag-ano sila, nag-washing sila eh. I-clean nila yung park eh. I-clean sila mo rin. Sure mo nakita dyan. 1. Ditingin dito. Thumbs up. 1. Nag-washing sila mo rin. Good na tayo dito. Good na tayo sa ano. Dito sa kabila naman tayo. Dito sa may park. Butterfly Park ba yun?
Butterfly.
Si Marty tang tarang tang 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 tarang tang 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 tang. Oh, parang swimming pool ito mo di, oh. Kulay blue eh. Oh, may chair din. Okay, Morty is coming. The gravel, ano? The gravel ba yan? Gravel, ano ba yan, Morty? Good challenge ba yan? Hard level challenge ba yan, Morty? Ha?
Challenge ito.
Oh, hindi pwede yung slipper ko eh. Nasira na eh. Ano yan? Pasta kitchen. 1, 2, 3, Morty. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Oh, ano yan? Dog run yan? Morty? Dog run ba yan? Oh, may dog run dyan. Okay, watch natin.
Where do we sit down?
Oh, ha?
Where do we sit down now?
Wala palang chair dito.
Diyan, oh.
Saan?
Diyan.
Doon siya, no?
Diyan, oh.
Saan?
Hmm?
May chair ba doon? Oh, okay. Dito. May chair doon, oh. Morty watching dog run eh. Watching Morty and dog run eh. Saan yung dog run? Dito tayo. Ito may chair dito. Oh,
Maybe you use the wood as the chairs.
yeah, sit down here.
Because it's the
No, this is
ancient
wood.
times.
Ancient times ba ito? Watching dog run si Morty. Where's the dog run?
Dude,
Over there.
up to date with vaccination. Well socialized and obedient, supervised and all that.
Fish dyan. Saan yung tortoise? Nandun sa ano?
Sa stone. Because
Ito maraming fish ito. Oh.
baka mahulog yung phone mo eh.
Pag nahulog, nako. Oh, yun ang tortoise, oh. Tortoise.
Ano yung... Huwag mo gamitin.
Kalang River.
When your phone falls, then just catch it in mid-air.
What river, what bridge is this? Oh, meron din dun sa malayo mo di, oh. See the stone there? Turtle din yan. Tortoise din yan. Oh, Morty, success.